Welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about adding an item. So first of all, I went into Item Bank, then I went to My Workspace, and then I clicked the green button, Create Item. To save time, I've gone ahead and done some of the work ahead of time. So you can see that I've given my item a name. Just make sure that it's unique and that it makes sense to you. You're going to choose your item type, and this is a multiple choice item. Most of the time you're not going to do anything right here with pilot item. A pilot item is simply a question that you want to put on your test, but you do not want it to count in the scoring of the test. So it might be something that you just want to find out if students know. You just don't want any point values attached to it. I've chosen my subject, I've chosen my grade level, and there is nothing that you need to do for course group or course. I do, however, want to link a passage to this question. I'm going to select Link Passage. If you had several different passages, you could search by bank and grade level up here at the top, but you're just working in your workspace, so all of your passages will appear here in ABC order. I'm going to add this Turn It Off passage. I'll say Select. And there it is. And what that means is it's going to be displayed side by side with this question so that students can read the passage on the left-hand side of the screen and then answer the question on the right-hand side of the screen. I have copied and pasted the questions and the answer choice from this question right here from my Word document. Notice that I did have other options. I could have changed to up to 9 answer choices, and you can also change the type of choices that are available. I added 4 points. You do have to put in how many points you would like for the question to receive. And then if you'd like, you can lock the choices order. That would just mean that as you're creating a test that includes this question, even if you select randomize as one of your features, these particular ABCD choices will always remain in the order that you have typed them. You do need to tell School City the correct answer. And then at any time, if you needed to add an additional choice, you could do that with the blue Add Choice button, and you could also delete any items that you felt that you did not need. We're going to move on to Next. And this is where you're going to add the standard. The standard that I need is grade 4, reading informational number 1. So I am going to select grade 4, reading informational, and standard 1, and then we can move on. On this particular page, if you know information about your questions such as Bloom's, DOK, or difficulty level, you can add it at this point. You can also add additional options up here, but this is not necessary because you can also add these when you are creating a test and make them available for all items, not just one. You can also tag an item here, so I might want to tag this item with grade 4. I also might want to tag it with the name of the passage that it's connected to. That just makes searching for this item a little bit easier later on. Then we'll say Next. We get a preview of the item. This is what it's going to look like for students, and then we can publish it. Publish it to my workspace, and okay.